out YouTube world. I am back and better than ever. I have been so blessed these past few months while I've been gone. I've gone through a lot, but I'm blessed because I am back. And this morning, it came to me like an epiphany. Shout out to Cassette Michelle. It came to me clear as day, you're set back for a comeback. And so in these few moments that I have with you, I just want to remind you that you have been set back to make a comeback. So although a few months, almost a year ago was my last video, and I was ready to go and get it, and I had a whole bunch of setbacks. But those setbacks were just for my comeback. And so if you are dealing with setbacks today, just want to let you know that your setback is preparing you for your comeback. I am back. I am ready to continue to do the things that I love to do, which is talking to you. You know, you're watching currently on The End, the people, places, and things that affect your world and our society, where the belief is I have 120 seconds to give you the news content for the day, the hour, the week, whatever it is. And those of you who have been watching the channel know the different versions of the show that we have. But one of my announcements that I want to make today is not only that I'm back and The End is back, because that will never go away, because my heart and soul will always be with the news, media, and what's going on in the world, because I feel like you people out there watching may not tune into ABC, NBC, CNN, MSNBC, but you might watch me. And you need to know what's going on in your world and your society, and that's why I am here, to give you that. And you don't have all day to wait for it, so I'll give it to you in 120 seconds. My other news is that starting very, very soon, I will be starting my own blog, King Suffix. Now, at King Suffix will be all the entertainment and gossip and all the other sides of my personality that you will not see on The End. I will try my best to keep The End professional to give you what you want and what you need to know. But at King Suffix, don't worry, I'm going to act a complete fool. We'll have a sister channel on YouTube as well as a blog that I'll be uploading and updating as much as possible. There are so many people that I have to thank, so many shout-outs I would like to give during my hiatus, but I don't have time to do it in this video, but the videos will be coming. So now that I've made my announcement, tell me about some setbacks that you have faced. Tell me about some setbacks that have prepared you for a comeback. I got set back because I lost my camera. I got set back because I was out without a laptop. I had a setback because I didn't have the internet. I had setbacks because I was in a crappy living situation. I had all those setbacks, but those setbacks were preparing me for this comeback. And so regardless of if you watch another video of mine, regardless if you tune into The End or King Suffix, I want to let anybody who's watching this video know that your setbacks in your life were preparing you for this comeback. For whatever comeback that you need is happening because of your setbacks. I'm back. We're back. The show is back. There are new things to come in the future. I love you. Like I always said, I love you. I love you viewers, you watchers, you subscribers, you supporters. And send me some love back. Let me know you're watching. I look forward to what we're going to do together. And in the words of Oprah, to God be the glory. This is James R. Rice III, not the first, not the second, but the third.